Greetings, welcome to Macka B's Whammy Eat Wednesdays. Last week was competition time, sending a recipe for chickpeas. And we picked a winner randomly, digitally, out of a hat. Just like that. Not better or worse, just random. And the winner is chickpeas herb wrap. Yes, I am. Greetings. The main ingredient is chickpea flour and you can make it from scratch. You can get some of the dry chickpeas, blend to a powder sieve, and that's that. The herbs, you can get them now: rosemary, thyme, oregano, parsley, and sage also, plus some spice. Here we go: cayenne pepper, garlic, olive oil, a little bit, cumin seeds, a little pink Himalayan or Celtic in a bowl, little water. Give them all a mix with a fork or a whisk. Make a thin batter looking like this. Easy so far, you can't miss. Get a pan, one when not stick, oil of your choice, a little bit. Let it cook for about 5 minutes, turn it over. When the edge get crisp, with a spatula, give it a flip. Cook again for about 2 minutes. Chickpeas herb wrap, there you have it. But it needs a filler, doesn't it? And that's it. But what are we going to fill it with? That's the big question. Sounds like another competition. So for next week's competition, all you have to do, send in a recipe to fill the chickpea herb wrap. Just like that. And remember, it's got to be vegan.